I don't know. I guess I would take a 2011. Between 2008 and 2011, it's just not my preferred because they got that stupid fuel management system and it sucks. They got a trashy fuel management system on it. The newer Chevys that destroy the engine block. So it just causes more problems than what it's worth. Literally. Yeah, she fell for it. Outplayed. Is there a regular hook anywhere? We got gamers. Hello, Kate. Where'd the Kate go? Silly Kate. What do you think, I can't freaking turn around? She's like, he can't do U-turns. Okay. Oh, I hate going down here. Yes! It's so hard to get a hit on this building. Yeah. Unicorn zombie. I got the 5.3, it's what I know how to work on. But yeah, all the LSs are really good engines. They're all easy to work on and they're very spacious, lots of power. Unicorn zombie. Oh my god, I got stuck. Yeah, I don't know. I like all the LSs. I don't really care which one I get. It just has to be the right price, really. They're all good. The older ones, anyways, not the newer ones. The new ones suck. I would not buy a new Chevy. Where'd you go, you little dingus? Damn, she's a runner, she's a track star. She just ran into it. Where is everybody? I've only seen two gamers. Oh, not over here. Not over there. Actually. That main building's gonna pop any second, I bet. Nope. Where the hell are they? Is this Kate? I don't really want Kate. Oh, there it is. Okay. for... No, we don't need the paint rest. Silly goober. Dude, that shit's so funny. Got him both. Got him. That shit's so funny though. Okay, it's her second hook. Come on, Kate, you gotta make a move. Goober. She thought she could trick me. Oh, she's dead. Rip. My bad. I didn't realize it's tunneling. That's funny. Kate's dead too. Oh, fuck this car. Hi, Kate. Alright, let's get Kate out of here. Alright, Kate, you're going back to the motherland. See if we can get you to the pain rest hook first. Maybe. Come on. Come on, come on. Alright, Kate. I am gonna hit you so hard. Jeez, Kate, you gotta throw the freaking pallet. Just know how to use pallets. Alright, bye, Kate. Where is another gamer? Neptune. Probably another locker again. Like a loser. Look at this, Dave. You can go underground in this map. Oh, there she is. Oh, I can't believe I missed. You missed the hatch, Dewey. Doesn't look behind her at all. I thought she ran past me. Oh, she did run past me. Got him. Yeah, I thought about getting a Ranger or like a Tacoma, but fuck that. I need a big truck. Because I need something that can tow that.